morning. Welcome to Nizam ID Group. My name is Trisna Subagja. I'm the HR manager. Thank you for taking to join us today. How are you today?
Good morning. Thank you for inviting me today. I'm doing very well, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here and I'm excited to discuss this opportunity with you.
I'm glad to hear that. Please make yourself comfortable. The interview will take around 10 to 20 minutes. Background, your leadership experience, and how you approach marketing strategy. Let's begin. Could you please introduce yourself and tell me about your professional background?
Okay, thank you. My name is Randy Pardiana. I have over 11 years of experience in marketing, sales, and business development. Throughout my career, I've worked in various industries, leading marketing team, developing business strategies, and building partnership. I also have experience as a marketing manager, where I was responsible for achieving sales target, expanding marketing coverage, and developing high team. I enjoy creating strategies that not only increase revenue but also building long-term customer relationship.
Thank you for sharing that. It sounds like you've built a solid foundation in marketing. I noticed you've spent several years in marketing. Could you walk me through your career journey and what you've learned from each role?
I started my career in sales where I learned the importance of understanding customer need. Over the years, I progressed into the leadership roles, managing team and developing marketing strategies. Everything position taught me something valuable for communication and negotiation to strategic planning and leadership. Thus, experience have shaped the way I approach marketing today.
That's very interesting. It seems you've experienced in different aspects of marketing. Why are you interested in joining Nizam ID Group as our marketing manager?
I've been looking for an opportunity where I can contribute on a large scale. From what I know, Nizam ID Group values innovation, teamwork, and business growth. I believe my experience align well with your company's passion, and I'm extended about the opportunity to help drive sustained growth.
Thank you. It's always good to understand what attracts candidate to our company. As a marketing manager, how would you describe your leadership style?
I believe in servant leadership. I like to support my team, provide clear direction, and create an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas. I also believe I can rather than simply giving instruction.
Leadership is certainly an important part of this position. Thank you for explaining your approach. Can you tell me about one marketing campaign that you're most proud of?
One of my project's achievement was leading a regional marketing campaign that exceeded our sales target by more than 120%. We focused on building partnership, strengthening customer relationship, and as a result, both revenue and customer relation increased significantly.
That's a great example. It's always interesting to hear about real business achievements. How do you usually develop a marketing strategy before launching a campaign?
I usually begin the analyzing market condition, customer need, and competitor activities. Then I define clear objective, identify the target market, determine the most active marketing channel, allocate the budget, and establish measure KPIs before launching the campaign.
Thank you. Having a structured planning process is definitely important. Suppose sales have dropped by 20% over the last 3 months. What would be the first three things you would do?
First, I will analyze the data, identify the root cause. Second, I will meet with the sales and marketing team to gather insight for the field. Finally, I will develop a recovery strategy, including promotion campaign, customer engagement initiative, and improvements to our sales process.
That's a thoughtful approach. I appreciate how you prioritize problem analysis before taking action. Marketing often requires close collaboration with sales, operation, and customer service. How do you ensure effective teamwork across departments?
I believe communication is the key. I regularly schedule meeting with other departments to ensure everyone understand the same objective. I also encourage open discussion whenever challenge arise to that we can solve problem together.
Cross-functional communication is essential. I appreciate your perspective. As a manager, how do you motivate your team when they fail to achieve their target?
I believe motivation starts with understanding each team member. I set clear goals, recognize achievement, provide constructive feedback, and support their professional development. When people feel appreciated, they naturally perform better.
Thank you. Team development is just as important as achieving business goals. How do you measure whether a marketing campaign is successful?
I evaluate both qualitative and quantitative results. For example, I look at sales growth, return on investment, customer acquisition costs, leader conversion rates, customer relation, and overall customer satisfaction.
That's a comprehensive answer. Data driven decision making is something we highly value. What do you think are the biggest marketing challenge business face today?
I believe today biggest challenge is adapting to rapidly challenge customer behavior. Technology, digital platform, and customer expectation evolve quickly. So market must continuously learn, analyze data, and innovate.
Thank you for sharing your insight. Why are you planning to leave your current position?
I'm grateful for the opportunities I've had in my current roles. However, I am looking for a new challenge where I can contribute more strategically, continue learning, and create a great impact for the organization.
Okay, I understand. Thank you for explaining your reason. What are your salary expectation for this role?
I'm open to discussing a compensation package that reflect the responsible of the rule and is aligned with the company's policies. For me, the opportunity to contribute, grow professionally, and create meaningful result is equally important.
Thank you. We'll certainly take that into consideration. Before we finish, do you have any question for us?
Yes, thank you. I'd like to know what your top marketing priorities are the next 12 months and one challenge you expect the new marketing manage to address.
That's a great question. Thank you for coming today. We'll appreciate your interest in Nizam ID Group. We'll review your interview and contact regarding the next step in our recruitment process. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much for your time today. I truly appreciate this opportunity to speak with you. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope to contribute to the success of Nizam ID Group in the future. Have a wonderful day.